I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling safe, stable parts so the moat works. Pick a shallow tray about 1 to 2 inches deep. Hummingbirds prefer a shallow splash. Once done, check for non-toxic materials and a watertight base. Silicone or a wide jar lid is ideal. Place the tray on a small stand or level surface where the feeder will hang. This prevents predators and keeps the water steady. Make sure you have gravel and rocks to create perches and slow water flow before filling. Now you create the functional moat structure and perches so birds can drink safely. First, apply silicone to seams and let it cure. This prevents leaks and stabilizes the tray. Next, spread a layer of 1/4 to 1/2 inch gravel, then add a few larger stones as footholds. This gives hummingbirds places to perch without drowning. Once set, position stones so the water depth stays shallow near the feeder base. This also slows splashing and deters insects from reaching the nectar. Finish by mounting the feeder and testing function so the moat protects nectar. Hang the feeder above the center with a 1 to 3 inch gap to the water. This stops ants and keeps bees from accessing ports. Fill the moat with clean water and replace it every 2 to 3 days to avoid algae and mosquitoes. If water leaks, reapply sealant. If algae forms, scrub gravel and refill. Make sure predators cannot reach the tray, raise or shield the setup if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.